Assalamu alaikum. Ss2 students of Agricultural Science of Sheikh Abubakar Gumi Academy. It's my privilege to bring this lesson across to you at home because of the pandemic. We are glad to be able to leverage on technology to make this happen. So this is Agric Science Ss2 and the topic is surveying and planning of farmstead. Surveying and planning of farmstead. Can you identify this equipment? Look at it very well. Can you identify this one? What about this? All right. I hope you have seen them before, but even if you have not seen them before, that is what we are going to study today. Now, surveying refers to measuring and mapping of the position and size of land before farming starts. Measuring and mapping of the position and size of land before you start the operation. What about planning? What is farm planning? This is the drawing or the outline of a farmstead. A farmstead refers to how the plots of land are allocated to different crops or different animals on the farm, including the farmer's house where he will stay. So the drawing and the outline of a farmstead is referred to as farm planning. The process is referred to as farm planning. Now, equipments are used in the process of farm surveying and planning. The first is called ranging pole. Ranging pole is used for marking stations during farm surveying. Gunter's chain is used for measuring the length and breadth of the land. This first picture you saw here is the Gunter's chain. Gunter's chain. Then the next one is measuring tape. This is used for measuring length, breadth, and height of the land. The next one is prismatic compass. Prismatic compass is used for measuring bearings and angular distances during farm surveying and planning. This is the second picture you saw here is a prismatic compass. It's used in farm surveying and planning. And then you have the theodolite. Theodolite is used for measuring horizontal and vertical angles. Measuring of horizontal and vertical angles. This third picture, the last picture you saw here, is called the theodolite. From today, if you see it, call it theodolite. And then you have the arrow and pin. These are used for marking chain lengths. At the end of every chain, you put the arrow down or the pin. Then the offset staff is used for taking short offset measurements during farm surveying and planning. Then we have a very poor maintenance culture in Africa. So we need to know how to maintain this equipment because without maintenance, they will not have a long lifespan. So you maintain them by cleaning them after use, clean them very well before storage, then oil and grease those that have joints that need to be lubricated. Then you dry them, make sure they are dry before storing them, and then store in a cool place so that they will not be damaged. Now, why are we carrying out farm surveying and planning? What is the importance of farm surveying and planning? Number one is to ensure proper use of the land so that the land is not wasted. The land should not be wasted. If you measure it, you will know exactly the quantity of land you are using because land is a factor of production. It should not be wasted. Number two is farmstead planning. After farm surveying and planning, you are able to allocate different pieces of the land for different purposes, either crops or animals, and even where the farmer's house should be. That is farmstead planning. Farm surveying and planning will also help you to determine the size of the land. If you ask many farmers, what is the size of your land? They don't know. So they need to know how many hectares the farm has occupied. Then number four is feasibility studies. If you are carrying out comprehensive farming, these maps that you produce can be used for feasibility studies to determine whether the farm is going to be profitable or not, whether the business is going to be profitable or not. And then finally, Farm surveying and planning helps the farmer for collateral security. What is collateral security? Collateral security is what you have to show the bank, the evidence you have to show the bank to assure them that you will be able to pay the loan you are collecting from them. At the situation whereby you are not able to pay, they come and take over that asset that you showed them, and they claim it in order to recover their money. That's the meaning of collateral security. So, without a farm survey or a farm map, no bank will give you a loan. No bank, you will not get a loan from any standard bank. Thank you very much. That's the end of the lesson. But endeavor to answer these questions for me. Number one, define farm surveying. Number two, what is farm planning? Number three, outline four sources, four survey equipments that you have been taught. And state one use of each. State one use of each. Thank you very much. Submit the answers to this WhatsApp number 0806-931-0991. Thank you very much, and maintain the health precautions that have been given by the government. See you.